Hey guys, welcome back. We're at platform 6 going to Liverpool. Woohoo! Here we are. So guys, we're getting the 11:05. There's another train down there. We've got some fun to do. Mind the gap. Here we go guys, our train's down there.
It's not our train, it's not in yet.
Reason. Yeah, it's just a train. But I think we board down here. So I'm excited for Liverpool, guys. Oh, there it goes. No! I think we're getting the next one. But yeah, I'm excited, guys. Woo. Off it goes. There it goes. Bye-bye, train. We have a bit of a wait till our train.
Yeah, I'm not getting.
But yeah, we're not going to be alone.
Shows you up there, George.
Here we go, guys. My nan's with us today, so you might hear some voices in the background. She's from Birmingham, so she doesn't. She yeah. She just got a funny accent. There's another train. The train's coming in today. It's busy. Got a train down here. There they are. Yeah, you guys, if you don't like speak to the trains, I don't know why you like my channel. Yeah. Please subscribe, guys. Right, guys, I'm going to end today's video here. The next part will be the actual train journey to Liverpool.